This is what?
I was waiting.
Wow, this is something.
Yes,
These used to be competitive prop hunt players.
Yeah. Look. They also didn't used to have markings. We've been whipping them. Look at that. Yeah.
What we did to this?
We took his brain out.
Yeah.
Yeah, we turned him into a Pac-Man's little bitch. That's right.
Turned him into a Pac-Man's little bitch.
Yeah, that's right.
You didn't turn him into Pac-Man. You turned him into Pac-Man's little bitch.
Pac-Man's little bitch.
Into a Pac-Man's little bitch.
Hey! Pig running, pig! Oh, they got female zombies now. Great.
He's had that forever. Damn, dude. Black Ops 3 is just so innovative. Have female zombies now.
What'll they think of next?
Get the fuck off me! God damn it, I just woke up.
Just woke up?
Yeah, I was sleeping in the bed.
I wasn't saying be cool because he was my fridge.
Then you said just sit there. No, I was just actually just.
Why is everybody talking about this?
I wasn't even saying it like that.
Why is everybody talking about me? Alright, so where's Moo at, huh?
Rock just witnessed me commit suicide.
I'm very supplies.
Supplies.
I'm very supplies. I didn't die.
You may be surprised to learn that Lola has killed himself. Surprise.
Got one mission, and our mission is to get on top of the satellite so we can get free cable. Wait a minute, that's not what satellite.
You're looking for us?
No, I'm looking for my friends, not you. You're not my friend.
Is it you're looking for?
Oh, yeah! There he is! Come back here, you little cone bitch!
Where'd he go?
He's right here!
I'm blue, Vanos is pink, Terrorize is orange. Blue, green.
Press A. You colorblind?
One of the colors, he's one of them.
Terrorizer is orange. Green.
Thanks for helping me out there, Evan. Appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Why are we not immune to the fucking, the bubbles?
Oh, no. Oh, proximity mines? That's
Platinum.
new.
Platinum. Proximity mines. Wasn't there one more weapon? There's a double barrel shotgun. Look at that. There's a Daryl.
There's Daryl.
Where's the double Daryl? Where's the double Daryl shotgun?
You guys are paying attention.
Where's the bubble? Where's the bubble Daryl shotgun?
Wait, we can buy flare guns? Hey man, we are a good bill.
I got him! Yeah!
Give birth!
What? I think he was saying that because we're yelling, but who says that when they're delivering a baby? Give birth! Push harder! Give birth! You just in the background. He's there.
I don't know. Oh, no, Louis, you have to win.
You're there with like a pitchfork in the background and like a torch. Give birth!
Give birth.
I am going to roll down the street right here, and then I'm going to come towards you, going backwards, and we do a backflip over you. No! I won! Yeah! Whoa. I want my money. Yeah, I thought we had that game.
At what point did you think we had that game? Was it when we started? Was it when we accidentally shot the hostage, or when I friendly killed you, or trying to pinpoint which part?
It was when I thought I won the lottery.
Pieces of $100 bills.
Wait a minute. The vault's right here, guys.
No, we were inside the vault.
Why is there 2 entrances to the vault? That doesn't make sense. I can't do this.
Go ahead. You can't. Just talk quickly. Just read it as quick as you can.
Ever since the answer told you that the yellow flag is on the corner of the car, you've been
You just sucked dick halfway through that sentence.
Yeah. I died on the dance floor.
Would you like to be part of a record label and sign on with somebody?
Would you like to shut up?
Shut up, boy.
Shut up. In a world Shut yours up.
Shut up 3 coming in. It's time to nutch up or shut up.
You shut up. Shut up.
Shut up, please. Come on.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Why are you gonna die,
I'm
Delirious?
gonna fucking die because I can't fucking jump. Oh God, run.
Where are you running?
He's running.
Alright, here we go. We're gonna start this off with the Burger King onion ring move.
Burger King onion wing.
Onion wing.
Let's go to Burger King, Venos.
Get that chicken onion wing. Let's do it.
Onion wing. I just realized what we're saying.
Yeah. How did you not notice that? That's what you said at the start.
I didn't know you could bust the window. Yeah.
I didn't know you could bust a window. What to do the window? Yeah. Thought maybe you would say like a checkered board or like a book or something. Yeah, something smaller.
Oh yeah. I'm feeling a little. Chessy. Like a little chessboard.
Chessy.
Yeah. All right. Well, everybody, click the button. Want to play God? Click it.
D button. Where's the D button?
Just click. Want to play God.
Hey. Boom.
Oh my God! It just exploded all over him. Did you see that shit?
Wow. I experienced that. That was amazing.
You a professional pilot?
I am a professional flyer. I got my license in aerodynamics.
So wait, does that mean I'm safe? Did it actually land?
Yeah.
And then
It just crash landed. It didn't land. It just crashed. It's like the flyer pilot. It's like the pilot fucking he died or something in mid-land. These are the delirious terminology.
He was in the mid-land position. The flyer was, and then he got decapacitated.
It was deceleration all the way down to the ground.
It was deceleration. While he was deceleration towards the mid-land. Get all these cars right here.
Rambo!
Yes! Oh my God, I saw him in the air.
It's World War V.
Wait, what? We skipped 3 and 4.
Straight to 5.
The war was so intense that we skipped 2 world wars.
Oh man.
4 holes. Get your hammer out, Delirious. Fix the fucking holes.
I'm repairing. Okay, I'm doing it. I am the captain.
Tell us about this ship or I'm gonna fucking kill you.
There's a comet coming. There's a comet coming. Run!
A comet. There's a comet coming. Run.
Run
There's a comet.
Watch out!
Get out of the way.
There's a comet. Quick, to the other side of the ship.
Oh shit. No. Get away. Get away. Get away. There's a crazy killer in the house.
Oh, there's the terrorist. I mean, terrorizer.
Oh, I see him.
Oh, follow me. Do this.
is this button?
Do this. Do! Oh, yeah. Go. Oh, God. Go.
There's no time. There's no.
We can't. I've tried. Operation. Dun.
Operation. Oh my
Operation
God.
done.
Operation. Uh-oh.
What the hell's going on? Oh, there's a piggy. There's a... Yahoo!
The trash can left. The trash can was here and now he's gone. Can I establish something? Why did Delirious yell Yahoo when you killed him? I don't know. Yahoo! Like fucking Mario.
Hey, guys. Look.
Oh, yeah. Let's build something.
Wait.
Yeah, build it. Here, I'll find some more materials. Here, look,
No,
there's a lot of
we
good
don't-
boxes inside. Here. Do you need one? Here, take this, Delirious. Guys, come here.
You guys are giving out to me being assholes because I'm wearing white clothes. Okay, I'm the White Ranger. Why do you have a hammer? That is actually
It's
very
my ninja
concerning.
tool. Holy shit!
Oh my God.
Wow! They're launching
They took our jobs.
Alright, so we are playing every bullet. There you go.
You got it.
There you go. There you go.
Everybody can take.
All right, guys. So, look at the mini map.
Yep,
There's a little bitty square area that looks kind of like a plus sign somewhere on the.
Where? That is such a bad description of a
There's a map where these roads
of a
quick.
city.
Everybody, take a look at your mini map.
Listen.
Take a quick glance at your mini map. There's a part where these two roads cross, and right there it forms a square.
All right. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Y'all watch y'all's mini map because you need to go exactly where I go in the mini map. Okay, guys?
Y'all watch y'all's mini map.
All right. So the trick is you jump off, you call the parachute, and you
Call the parachute.
Yes.
Okay.
You use the
What's the
parachute.
parachute's number again?
You jump off.
Hold on, I didn't bring my phone. Shit.
Listen, right
He's
here.
in the parking lot.
You need to stay in this area, so you need to go in circles in this little square right here.
Run laps in the parking
Yep,
lot.
that's a great fucking
plus.
Circles in the square. Circles in the square until you land. We're going to the 400 kilometers.
We're gonna go back.
What?
What the hell? Hold on, did any of you guys hear Delirious? Did any of you guys hear Delirious say kilometers?
Yeah, I was gonna.
He's like kilometers.
Listen, we got 4.8 kilometers to go. All right, as soon as they start busting through the door, like when they, oh god. You
That's a
guys ready?
terrible explanation, but I think I know.
As soon as we start busting through the door, we shoot that thing on the ground. How many kills I got? 1.
Like, why did you even have to question that? Like, oh, let me check because I lost count. 1.
I've been killing so many people, I don't remember how many I killed. 1, that's right. I remember now.
Welcome to Murder Maze.
You're welcome.
What? Alright, welcome to Murder Maze. Start over. I guess it is gonna be you.
Oh shit, he juked me.
Did you just scream Chipotle?
Chipotle! U-turn back to the tunnel. U-turn.
Why this thing got question marks? Oh, no! What the fuck? Teammate, what's the, did you die?
Yes, what the fuck kind of driver was that?
I'm sorry, I apologize. Where you at? Oh, you died. You fucking died. I'm still alive. No, I'm not alive anymore. No, I'm not gonna die. I'm not dying here! I'm not dying here!
My friend!
I died.
Oh, God damn it. Well, I continued the trend. I continued the fucking trend.